In DocBits, groups and permissions allow you to organize users into groups and assign shared permissions to everyone in that group. You can find this feature under Settings, Global Settings, Groups, Users and Permissions, Groups and Permissions. Once the feature is activated, click New at the top of the page, enter a group name and, optionally, a description. Click Save to create the group. To manage a group, click the 3 dots in the Actions column. From here, you can add users, view or edit the group's permissions, edit the group name or description, or delete the group. For adding users to a group, click Manage Users, then Add User. Select the user you want to add, choose whether the user should be removed from any other groups they already belong to. Click Save. You can continue adding more users or close the window when you're done. To manage permissions, click the 3 dots again. Select View Permissions. In the Permissions menu, you can choose the document types the group can access. Select which rights the group should have for each document type. Decide whether the permission should apply only when the document is assigned to this group. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos on our YouTube channel.